Hiccups are those pesky little interruptions that can catch us off guard. They happen when our diaphragm, that big muscle helping us breathe, suddenly contracts. This quick contraction pulls air into our lungs, and when our vocal cords snap shut, we get that classic hic sound. So, what causes these annoying hiccups? Eating too quickly or too much can irritate the diaphragm, while carbonated drinks and spicy foods can upset our stomachs. Even strong emotions like stress or excitement can trigger them. And let's not forget sudden temperature changes, like gulping down a cold drink on a hot day. Now, if you find yourself hiccuping away, there are a few tricks to try. Holding your breath can disrupt the hiccup reflex, and sipping cold water might calm that diaphragm down. Some people swear by sucking on sugar or even gargling with water to stimulate the vagus nerve. And if all else fails, a little scare might just do the trick. But if those hiccups stick around for too long, it's best to check in with a doctor to rule out any underlying issues.